everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Maths Plus. So here I am going to discuss class 9 NCERT का polynomial chapter, which is chapter 2. So one subtopic I will be discussing, that is factorization and application using algebraic identities. So let us see which identities I am going to use here. One of the identity you can see, first one I have written a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to what? A plus b plus c within bracket whole into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca bracket close. So this is the first identity I have written. Second identity I have written a plus b plus c ka whole square will be giving you what? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2 whole into ab plus bc plus ca. So let us see how these two identities are used and when they are used depending upon the situation of the answer. Okay, steps you will be seeing. Let us see the solution part of this answer. It is given here a plus b plus c if given 6 and ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 11. So we have to find out the value of what? A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. And you see the first identity here. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc gives what? A plus b plus c whole into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. But given information is what? A plus b plus c and ab plus bc plus ca. This part is missing. If you observe, a square plus b square plus c square is missing. That means you have to find out that first. So let us see the first step of the answer. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc gives what? A plus b plus c whole into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus c bracket close. So now if you see this one, a plus b plus c whole into, I can keep this in bracket like a square plus b square plus c square, then minus, if I take them in bracket, so it will be ab plus bc plus c, isn't it? So you can get this a plus b plus c, same thing, only brackets are used and the formation is done. Okay, so now you see a plus b plus c is how much here? 6 whole into how much? A square plus b square plus c square, which is not given. We have to find out that. Minus ab plus bc plus ca, how much it is? 11 minus 11. Okay, so this much is there. So this is, let it be first conclusion. Now using the second identity, you can say a plus b plus c ka whole square is equal to what? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2 whole into ab bc plus ca. Okay, so let us do that. Using that identity, what you will be getting? A plus b plus c ka whole square will be giving you what? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2 whole into ab plus bc plus ca. Now substitute here. It is 6 ka whole square on LHS and a square plus b square plus c square. From here only we are going to find out. 2 into how much? ab plus bc plus ca, 2 into 11. Hope you understood this much. Now you can could have guessed also how to find out. So this is 36 is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 22. Now a square plus b square plus c square is equal to how much? 36 minus 22, which is equal to how much? 40. So a square plus b square plus c square, you obtain how much? 40. So this is the second conclusion. So till this much you could have understood. how we will be getting a square plus b square plus c square. Now as you got a square plus b square plus c square as 14, so we can substitute in equation 1 or first conclusion. So let us erase this and go to the next phase of the answer. Okay, only this much I am erasing. So now what you will write? Putting a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 14 in equation 1, we get a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to how much? 6 into, within bracket what you write? 14 here, and minus it is 11. So how much you will be getting? 6 into 14 minus 11, it is 3. So this implies I will be getting 18 as your answer. Hope you understood this answer. So we got the answer, or we got the value of what? A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc as what? 18. So this is all about using these two identities to get the value of this a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. If this a plus b plus c is given and ab plus bc plus ca is given, then only. So this is a very important question for class 9, because we got to know how to apply the algebraic identity to evaluate the expression. Hope you got the answer and must have understood clearly. So let us go to our next question, which will be used to factorize using this identity, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc wala. Okay, so let us, before I go to discuss the factorization of an algebraic expression using this identity, I have to discuss one of the property here. One of the condition, if I say, it will not be wrong. So if I say if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, that means you see here a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to what? A plus b plus c whole into what? A square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. But if you see a plus b plus c will be put here 0. So this what will happen? 0 into the whole expression will be what? Again 0. Okay, so what I will get? Then a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to what? 0 into this whole expression. Then 0 into anything, what you will get? You will be getting 0. This implies a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is what? 0. This implies a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to what? 3 whole into a into b into c. Okay, so this is one of the conclusion I obtained. So this conclusion can be used to evaluate the sum of the cubes of any three numbers. But condition is what? If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then directly we can use this property. Okay, if you see, just given attention here to this question. So we are going to use this identity to factorize these two questions. Okay, so we have to factorize this. And how to factorize? Let us see what are the steps are followed. So question 1. So again I am writing the question. It is what? A cube plus 8b cube plus 64 c cube minus 24 abc. So let's just put a line here. So you can see the first question, a cube plus 8b cube plus 64 c cube minus 24 abc. So you can see the formation here. Whatever form is given, it is directly related to this LHS, isn't it? So let us see the first step. So we'll be forming this as what? A ka whole cube plus 2b ka whole cube plus 4c ka whole cube minus. You got to know here the first value is what? A, then 2b and 4c, and this 3abc means what? 3 whole into A. You can see this is, it is A, then 2b. So 2b matlab here we'll be writing as 2b here, then into what? 4c. And just check whether the product here is equivalent to what? Equal to 24 ABC or not. So 3 into A is 3A, into 2B is what? 6AB. 6AB into 4C is how much? 24 ABC. And you can see here minus sign, so here it is also minus 24 ABC. Okay. So now, what is the next step? You got to know that this is A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is what? This part is the factorization part. These are the factors. This is a factor. This is also a factor. So here also you got to know A ka cube plus 2B ka whole cube plus 4C ka whole cube minus 3 into A into 2B into 4C. So in this, if you compare this identity with this formation, so you can just relate to this RHS. So here in place of A, I'll be writing simply A, and in place of B, I'll be writing 2B. In place of C, I'll be writing 4C whole into A square, matlab A ka whole square, then 2B ka whole square, then 4C ka whole square. So you can now judge how are they substituted here using the identity. Minus AB, matlab A into 2B, A into 2B, minus 2B into 4C, minus 4C into A. And you'll be getting this is the last step for factorization. Let us see what is the answer. So A plus 2B plus 4C whole into what? A ka square means A square, 2B ka whole square means 4B square plus 4C ka whole square means 16C square minus, here it is how much? 2AB minus 8BC minus 4C, and this is your answer. So you got to know how to factorize A cube plus 8B cube plus 64C cube minus 24ABC. So these are the three steps you have to go through. The first step shows the formation. Second step is the using the identity here, directly substituting exactly in whatever place they are. Then third step is your answer. So this is one of the factor. A plus 2B plus 4C is a factor, and this part within this bracket, A square plus 4B square plus 16C square minus 2AB minus 8BC minus 4CA within the bracket is also a factor of this question. Okay, so let us do the second question, but I hope this first answer is understood clearly. So let us go to the second question. Second question is also important because irrational numbers are involved here, and we must recall the properties of irrational numbers from class 9 lesson 1. Okay, so question 2. So question 2 is what? 3 root 3 A cube minus B ka cube minus 5 root 5 C ka cube minus 3 root 15 A into B into C. Similar steps you have to follow, but thing is that this is whose cube? If I say 3 root 3 A cube is a cube of which number? So you can see just the formation. Root 3 into root 3 into root 3. How much it will be? So it will be like you see, root 3 into root 3, 3, and this is 3 root 3. And obviously into A cube. So it is what? A cube. Now you could have guessed whose cube is this? So let us write down root 3 A ka whole cube minus here B ka whole cube minus here also root 5 C ka whole cube. minus 3 root 15 ABC. Okay. To know how these cubes are formed, so let us show the formation again, because we know the identity is what? A cube plus B cube, but here it is what? A cube minus B cube minus C cube type. So let us form it. Understood this one? I hope you understood this one. Root 3 A into whole cube plus minus B ka whole cube plus minus root 15 root 5 ka root 5 C ka whole cube. Then here again the formation will be what? 3 whole into root 3A into minus B into this is minus root 5 C. Now if you multiply, you see 3 into root 3, 3 root 3 into B, 3 root 3 AB into root 5, it is 3 root 15. But thing is that minus into minus plus, so here is minus sign is maintained, because minus minus plus into minus, again it will be minus. So here it is a maintained minus, here also minus is maintained. So now you got to know the first is what? Root 3 ka whole cube plus minus B ka whole cube plus minus root 5 C ka whole cube. And here you got to know minus 3 into root 3A into minus B into minus root 5C. So the next step will be what? See this. The first step, A plus B plus C. So what do you write here? Root 3A plus minus B plus minus root 5C bracket close whole into root 3A ka whole square plus minus B ka whole square plus minus root 5C ka whole square minus root 3A into minus B, then minus B into minus root 5C and minus root 5C whole into, it will be, so let me write just below it, the minus root 5C whole into root 3B. So hope this is understood, this step. Little bit complicated, but we have to maintain the signs. The next step. So after this step, what do you have to do? Let us see. The root 3A plus into minus B, it will be minus B plus into minus, it will be again minus root 5C bracket close. Then how much it will be? 3A square. Then it will be plus B square. Then it will be plus 5C square. Then you see here minus into minus how much? Plus. So obviously it will be plus root 3 AB. Then you see here minus B into minus root 5C. It will be how much? Root 5 BC plus root 5 BC. But here it is minus, so it will be what? Minus root 5 BC. Then again you see here minus and minus plus. It will be root 15 plus root 15 CA. And this is your answer. So hope this answer is also understood. And since irrational numbers are included here, so we have to think of the operations of irrational numbers. Then you can get some help from that, and you can proceed, and you'll be reaching the answer also. So now we have factorized this both these questions, and we got to know how this identity helped us to factorize the given expression. Hope you like this video and like the class too, and you got to know how to factorize both these questions with the help of this identity. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel Maths Plus. Hope you'll never forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.